All right, crypto market is back on the action today, guys. Litecoin, picking up the Litecoin. It's time. And I'm happy to announce we're back on the Litecoin after hitting the target of 74. We got out and patiently waited all the way for pricing to come back to us to 67.90. And I talked about that last time I was here 3 days ago on the Litecoin. I just said that once price action hits that 67.90, that's where it's going to be our cue to step in. And here we are, 10 days after terminating our bullish campaign successfully. We're jumping back into position here. And you can see that 67.90 was tested just yesterday. Actually, price action was able to break below and have a daily close below 67.90. But I don't think it was legitimately breaking down below that level. It was just overextending on the way down. This is how it looks like from the weekly perspective. You can see how price is already pulling back up after the encounter with 67.90. And looking at the short-term perspective, price has been trading sideways ever since mid-November in a very narrow fashion. And I feel like now it's going to push back to 74 and then begin to crack upwards and keep pushing for a big upside breakout just to fulfill the mission coming from the higher time scale, which is the blue system here representing the medium to long-term cycle. In this case, we expect price action to land at 95.25 somewhere in the near future. So that's where we're coming from with this one. Our target is already set at 95.25, right? Even though, we're still going to be addressing 74, probably going to make 74 as a secondary target. So potentially going to take some profit off the table because we've seen what happened last time price action was there. But this time I have to say we do expect price action to be successful on the breakout. Starting with stop loss level at 64.50, right? It's kind of a tight stop loss level if you consider the distance to the target, 95, right? So risk to reward ratio is definitely attractive. Having said that, if price is not turning around at this point and it's starting to produce some positive momentum going forward, and instead, dropping back below 67.90 and starting to settle down below that level, that's going to be our cue to run for the exit, and hopefully before our stop loss level is going to be triggered, right? So there you go. Here we are, Litecoin. We're back in business with this one, back into position. Very excited about this, guys. We're going to be back to follow up on the situation, keeping you posted, of course. That's about that for the day and for the week. Enjoy your weekend. We're going to be back on Monday. So till then, be well.